In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue when your audio only plays in one ear using DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure your clip is in the timeline. Go to the top right corner and click on the Mixer button. This will open the Mixer panel. Now, play your video. You'll notice the audio is only coming from the left channel and not the right. This usually happens when your audio was recorded in mono. To fix it, hold down the Alt key and click on the audio clip to select it. Then right-click on it and choose Clip Attributes. A new window will appear. Switch to the Audio tab. Under Audio Track 1, the format will be set to mono. Click the drop-down and change it to stereo. This will create two channels for your audio. Next, make sure the source for both channels is not set to empty. Set each one to Embedded Channel 1 or use Embedded Channel 1 for the left and Embedded Channel 2 for the right. This will ensure audio plays in both ears. Click OK to apply the changes. Now when you play your video, the audio comes through both left and right channels. That is it. That's how to fix audio that only plays in one ear using DaVinci Resolve.